Hello, my name is Basil, and this is Software Requirement Specification Review for Group 4. For the contents, we are going through the organization and completeness, correctness, quality attributes, traceability, and special issues for our SRS. Organization and completeness. All the requirements, essential details for each requirements are captured in the document, but some requirements such as user interface in external interface requirements could have been elaborated at a better level. However, we have a diverse user base, some being savvy and some being novice. So it's very hard to capture these user requirements fully. Requirements provided an adequate basis for design and testing. This has helped in the design of Apollo Lunar Rover (ALR) from now onwards, and also help with the testing as rationals and acceptance criteria has been defined very well, so it will be helping in the testing in the long run. External hardware, software, and communication interface has been defined. Communication interface between the build machine and ALR, as well as between ALR to ALR MCS, has also been well defined in the SRS. Requirements proactively added without any request from the customer, such as battery life indicator, status window, event log window. For the correctness, we have not yet identified any conflicts or duplicate entries in the requirement. Requirements are clear but can be more concise. It's readily demonstrable and everything is within scope. However, the final SRS was submitted after rigorous testing, but we have identified some spelling and grammatical errors, such as some of the US English words has been spotted in a couple of occasions while we were trying to get this SRS in pure British English. Quality attributes, performance, safety, security, and other pertinent quality attributes are specified. For example, the time taken for the communication, time to complete some of the given task. Security and safety considerations have been properly specified in the SRS. The robot's safety is the highest priority as per the client requirements, so everything has been specified. It's better to add more quality attributes. However, the current quality attributes are precise, specific, and clear. Traceability. For the traceability in SRS, the requirements are unique and we have been correctly identified all the requirements. There is no duplicates whatsoever have been found. Requirements traceability um, of software functional requirement to a higher level requirements has been already defined in our SRS. Some of the user interface requirements, it has a master subordinate kind of relationship with the user requirement, and the software functional requirements are well linked with those user requirements. Thereby, software functional requirements are traceable to other high level requirements. We have also identified dependencies of each requirement as well in the SRS. Special issues to mention in the SRS, always um, differentiate requirements from implementation solutions and designs. Time critical functions has been identified with timing criteria. The main time critical function among the long range wireless controlling systems is the communication between the systems and the user. This part has been clearly identified in the SRS, and we are strictly following some convention and standard. So it's well written in the introduction, and these are being followed throughout in the documents. Thank you so much for listening.